When you feel comfortable enough finding all of the notes on the keyboard, try this fun exercise if you want to. Switch all of the lights off or even close your eyes and try and feel your way around the keyboard by using the black keys as a reference. For example, by finding the two group black keys with your fingers, you'll be able to locate the notes C, D, and E without even looking. You can also do the same with the three group black keys. So feel around, locate the three group black keys to find the notes F, G, A, and B. You can also do this for the sharps and flats. For example, we know that the first of the two group black keys is either C sharp or D flat, and the second of the two group black keys is either D sharp or E flat. The same can also be done with the three group black keys. So what's the point in playing in the dark or without looking at our hands? Well, apart from being fun, playing music without looking lets us focus more on the song itself rather than concentrating completely on the notes we're playing. Playing in the dark or with our eyes closed also lets us concentrate more on our hearing, which can help us later on in the core lessons when we get to ear training. Sight readers especially need to play without looking at their hands because they need to focus more on the sheet music, the reading. Another reason is that it's fun, and also quite cool, especially when you play a song in front of someone and they're completely amazed that you're playing a song without looking down at the notes. Every time you master a song, try and see if you can play it without looking.